All right, guys, back out with the Fireteam. I did buy something for this, so we will next week hopefully get it by the end of the week or sometime, and put in a new motor to this thing, so this the stock motor doesn't keep getting hot. So I have a big fan, 40mm fan in there, and that's blowing pretty good air through there, but it's still getting hot with this 17 tooth. So I'm gonna get a bigger motor. And I'm going to put a bigger pinion in it because it's going to be lower kV. It's going to be a 1250 kV, I think it is. So we're going to put that in there, but let's bash this on till that comes, huh? So I haven't done nothing to it since. Thought it was running pretty good, except for it getting hot. Other than that, this car's just a beast. It's like I said, people don't like the way it looks, but man, it is a handling machine. And I actually like the way it looks now that I actually have it and bought it. Just the price tag was a little high for me when it first came out, so whoever got that deal it was well worth it, in my opinion. Even with the stock setup in it, I mean, the Spectrum stuff ain't bad. I just don't like their controllers. This one's not too bad. This SLT3 and the receiver that's in there, but it seems like the one with the gyro in it doesn't like to bind up. You gotta always bind it up every time you take it out, so. And I got rid of that too, that junk one. But other than that, I don't know, they're all right. I'm starting to like them a little more and more now that I'm finding out what's wrong with ones like this one. I'll probably just leave this one in here. There's no reason to take it out. It's running good. So, but yeah, thing is just a beast. Oh, and it can take a hit. Man, gliders are just going crazy today. This thing's gonna be crazy with that other motor. Gear it up a little bit. Do it like a 20. I don't know, we might start at 20, 22, something like that, 23. And see what that does. We might even have to gear it up even more because the kV is so low. It's a 2050 right in here. Going to a 1250 kV. It'll be just like my Mojave. How feels like you can gear it up so much. Come on, get out of the bushes. There it is. There's that double kick right there. It comes up and it kicks up, and then in the middle of that's why it throws it up in the air. Funny on that one. But yeah, it is so much better with this 17 tooth in there. So much more control. Even with the stock tires, I like the stock tires. They balloon a little bit, but not too much. Oh. Bang, another glider. Ah, straight nose plant. Drive came out of the cup. I hit that pretty hard. The whole body shifted. So I'll bring her back to the car and check her out, that last nose plant. All right, guys, we got this back on the bench. This turned into like a bash / wrench video. We for some reason the universal popped out, the dog bone popped out, whatever you call those, CBD. That popped out. I don't see nothing wrong with anything else. That's kind of strange, and I didn't want to mess with it out there in the field. I'll wrench on some things out there, but there's other ones I don't mess with. So I like taking it out of here, taking this pin out instead of loosening all that stuff up. You know, instead of loosening all this up, because these are a lot harder to mess with, in my opinion. If you just take this out, make sure you know where your spacers go, right? There's 2 of them. Oh, there's 3 of them. All 3 of them go in the back. And this should pop out. So it looks like it's just bent a little bit. So it must have hit really hard. Yeah, that looks like it's barely in there. Let's see, let's put this back in there. See where it lines up in there. It's about where it'll be. Oh yeah, no, it's plenty in there. It must have just sprung so bad. So, yeah, just pop that out, guys. That's all. So, then I'm just gonna put it back here. Let's put this back. And then when you're doing this, just make sure you're stayed in the cup. I don't know how they had theirs, but I guess it doesn't matter. I'm putting, there's 3 of them, 2 skinny ones and a thick one. And just and you just gotta line these spacers up. Usually get them pretty close and move them around a little bit, but tighten her back up. I could have done this out in the field. It's just, I don't know. Certain things I don't like messing with, like these little pieces, and then I'll be losing those spacers. And And just make sure it's tight, but not over tight. Because if you tighten it too much, your suspension won't come back down. So you want to make sure. Leave a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I just must have hit that bad boy that hard just to. Yeah, it is bent. It's not bad though. It just got a nice little bow to it. It's not like it's tacoed. So I think we're good to go again. Got the ice cream man behind me. That's how nice of a day it is today. The ice cream man here. All right, she's ready to go for next time. I know that ended a little fast, but it's all right. We'll get another battery charged up and get it ready for next time. This is probably we're not there very long, I don't think. Yeah, 64%. We're still got a little ways to go. So it's all right. Close enough to storage for me, so I can go back in the hoe. Get in the hoe. All right. So there we go, guys. There we go. Fixed all up. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.